In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate QuickBooks to manage your customer payments effectively. Whether you're a small business owner just getting started or a seasoned accountant, understanding how to efficiently use QuickBooks can greatly improve your financial management. So let's dive right in. First, you'll need to head over to the QuickBooks platform. Simply open your browser and type in the QuickBooks URL or select it from your bookmarks if you've got it saved for easy access. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. This will bring you to the main dashboard, which serves as the command center for all the amazing features QuickBooks offers. Now, once you're logged in, you want to locate the My Apps section. This is where all your integrated applications sit, making it easier to find the tools you use most frequently. Clicking on My Apps will reveal a list of all the applications linked to your account. From here, go ahead and click on the Customer Hub. This is a powerful tool within QuickBooks that helps you keep track of all your customer interactions and transactions. The Customer Hub is designed to provide a central view of all your client details, invoices, and payment statuses, making it a crucial element for maintaining transparency and organization in your business dealings. Inside the Customer Hub, you'll see a range of options, but for today's guide, we are focused on payments. So click on the Customers tab to see the list of all your clients. This section provides an overview displaying names, outstanding balances, and other pertinent details. Once you've navigated to your customer list, look over to the Actions column. Here, you'll find various options depending on the status of each customer's account. For example, you might see options like Create Invoice or Receive Payment. For today's task, we're interested in the Receive Payment option. Simply click on it to proceed, allowing you to process incoming payments. It's important to note that you'll only see the Receive Payment option if there is an outstanding balance due from a customer. If you see Create Invoice instead, it means the customer currently has no outstanding invoices or that payment has already been processed, in which case you might want to create a new invoice or update records. And that's it, you're done. You've successfully navigated QuickBooks to manage customer payments efficiently. By becoming proficient in these simple tasks, you free up more time to focus on other aspects of your business, knowing your financial transactions are under control. Thanks for watching, and I hope this walkthrough has been helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more step-by-step guides. Happy accounting!